Hi folks, we are Aura Condotel. So, check natin tong Condotel na to around Rojas City. So, newly built Condotel. So, my room is located at second floor, 216. So, here we go. Since first time natin dito, i-check natin if affordable ba yung room nila. So, I booked 2 single bed. Pero single lang po ako right now dahil wala naman akong kasama sa room. So, let's see from the top. Check natin from view of mattress going to CR. So, yung room ay may ref na. Check natin. Complete yung mga necessity as tutulog tayo dito ng isang gabi at meron po siyang heater. So, ito yung aking bed. Yan. And that's all. Sulit naman. Bye.